Welcome to a Chicks with Tricks motovlog. It's been a while. I sold my CBR 1000 a while back, probably about a year ago. I don't know, I don't keep up with it. And I know, if you watched the previous vlog, you'll said I was gonna probably stick with the Grom, but you know, things happen. Okay, looks like we're on time. 6:03 in the morning, and we're headed out to Austin and Dallas. What the hell could we be doing now?
The interest of a few people who use the system for personal gain, which has done little to the true benefits of capitalism as a philosophy.
We made it. It's been an hour into the trip. We finally found a Starbucks, and I'm just getting my breakfast ready. Steven's going to the bathroom, and Pax is, well, hey, she just had a break, and she's being a puppy. We're here the first stop. Pax, sit. Okay, take your time. I know. Steven's over there doing his thing. So hopefully we get our first pickup of the day. It is 9 a.m. basically, like 9:11 right now.
It's like I actually adjusted it. No, it's not. That's all right. Okay, you want to shove the ass of this thing?
See how my network works? Nice!
But I'm not having to ride it into the back of the truck. Yay!
Oh yeah. Go.
Yeah. Tear it up first.
I figure. Yeah, don't pull me and
I don't
just
know how
whack
you
it with
wanna
shit.
do this.
I don't really.
That end it was. But with halfway close, you felt down.
And I got a big Grom. So welcome to the 2017 Yamaha FZ10. This thing has about, well, it has 10,466 miles on it. And I just bought it in Dallas last weekend. I'm 2 weeks out of knee surgery. And I'm figuratively hopping back on the horse because life has been incredibly challenging this year. And I no longer can really ride stand-ups. I'm not saying that I never will be able to ride stand-ups, but currently I'm unable to do that to the, I guess, intensity that I would like. It keeps hurting me. I've had 3 major surgeries this year. Like I said, I just had the knee surgery a couple weeks ago. I had 2 hip surgeries back in April, and it's still healing. It hurts. My pelvis was actually, they had to break it completely, sever it completely from my body, my left hip, and screw it back together. So that's still healing. Kind of a big deal there. And yeah. So rounding back, closing the loop on that thought, this year has been tough. It hasn't been bad, but it's been tough. So things make you realize how lucky you are, and I enjoy my job, and I go to work, and I enjoy the people that are there. I enjoy my relationships much more. I'm able to connect with people on a deeper level than before, because before, you know, you really, especially when you're in pain, you focus on yourself and you really internalize everything, and at least me, I kind of shut down. And I found that, you know, talking with people, everybody has problems, and not complaining about them, but actually talking them through really kind of helps with the anxiety on both sides. So I think, and anyway, I'm happy to be back on a motorcycle. I'm happy to be back sharing things with you guys. This thing's all toured out. It's got all the Yamaha accessories, so I'm super excited to do some long rides, and hopefully I get to share the adventure with you guys. And yeah, happy to be back, man. I'm happy to be back.